This is the open land for farming. This is all our farming land. But we are going to do some fencing work at the boundary, along the boundary, to protect the farming land. So this is the first step for the boundary wall work. We are actually going to do the fencing work, chain link fencing. So our first step is digging for the pole. We are manually digging for the pole foundation. Our digging size is 500 mm by 500 mm and depth is 600 mm, 600 millimeter. So total we have here 17 hectare of land, and that inside of land we are going to farming. So before start the farming, we are ensuring our boundary by making the chain link fencing. So this is the first step of the chain link fencing. Along our boundary we have started digging of soil, and after that we will make a pole, and next video I will show you the next step. Thank you for watching.